Harting's IIoT starter kits have everything needed for those starting with the industrial Internet of Things. Harting has developed 3 starter kits featuring modular industrial computer architecture, or MICA, which is a fast and easy way to connect to the industrial Internet of Things. The Harting MICA CISS IIoT starter kit comes with a sensor that can measure 7 different parameters, including vibrations, acoustics, temperature, humidity, and others. The Harting MICA RF R300 RFID starter kit contains everything needed for a basic RFID asset tracking application. And the Harting MICA Basic Ethernet starter kit is ideal for those who are looking to connect periphery devices through the Ethernet. Each kit contains everything needed, and it only takes 10 minutes to set up.